Welcome to today's video. In the next 30 seconds, we'll be discussing the term favoritism in the context of words and how it's used in language. Favoritism refers to the act of choosing something or someone over another, often due to personal preference. In the world of words, favoritism can show up in various forms, such as using a certain word over another, giving more weight to one word in a sentence, or even choosing a specific term over a more formal one. Now, let's dive into some examples of favoritism in the language. When someone says, "I love that word," they're showing favoritism for that word over others. Alternatively, someone who is objective and uses language fairly might say, "I prefer that word over another, but both words have their place." We often see favoritism in writing, especially in creative works like poetry and storytelling. When a poet writes, "I dream of ethereal rainbows dancing on the grass," they are using a specific word, ethereal, that they feel has a special significance for their poem. Similarly, a storyteller might use a character's name multiple times within the narrative to show their favoritism for that character. In conclusion, favoritism in the language is a preference for certain words, phrases, or terms over others, often due to personal bias. While it can be enjoyable and interesting to use certain words and phrases, it's important to remember that fairness and using the most appropriate language are also essential components of communication. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to be mindful of favoritism in your own language use.